What are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Just trying to get this over and shoots at all of us.
Oh, shit. Hey, what's going on, guys? And we are back with another video today. Now, today's video is going to be slightly different. It's not going to be the usual car shenanigans like we always do. Today is 4th of July, so we're going to do something special. Let me explain to you guys what we're going to do today. We're getting a group of friends together and we're all going to go shoot some fireworks. But the cool thing about it is that the place we're going to is actually an hour away south from where I live. We're going to go meet some other friends that are driving. And what we're going to do is that we're going to basically cruise all together down to the place and we're going to pop off fireworks. And once again, I know it's not a car video, but this is kind of a special. So we're going to go ahead and go to the gas station, get some ice. We're gonna go to the car wash and get a little quick wash real quick and basically get some things ready before we start picking up friends, because it is out in the country area. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Just got our wash, pretty good. All right, we're about to head over to my friend's house. I'm gonna go pick them up. We're gonna go meet the group at the mall, so stay tuned. Hey, look who it is.
What's his face? Miguel is gonna go pick up Jeff.
Oh.
Jeff can hop in here.
Yes.
Afterwards.
Yeah. All right, so we are off to the mall now. I'll get you guys in a bit. Look at these boneheads.
I don't think that's too close.
Y'all are a bunch of retards.
What the fuck are you?
Y'all do not know how to give directions, period.
I will need to take that from
No. So we figured out the location of the place. It's an hour away. You guys are gonna follow me. Is this it? Nobody else is coming?
Yeah, I know.
Olivia.
Not coming. Like, we literally called her on the way to pick up Jeff, and then she was like, yeah.
Ross.
Ross bailed on the last minute because he said he wanted, he had work tomorrow morning. Hey, Veronica. How are you?
Okay.
Oh, wait, tell him now. Tell him the story now.
It was like, and they're like offering us to buy the hotel, to buy the resorts, and we ended up buying it.
So hold up, you bought a hotel.
We bought a resort.
You bought a resort.
We bought
All the resorts.
We bought all the resorts in the world.
You bought Westgate.
We bought Westgate.
So you own Westgate hotels.
Yeah. The initial price that they offered us, we ended up getting it the cheapest out of every single family that was there. You know what the total was at the beginning? About $17,000. You know what it ended up being?
What?
$9,000.
That's not a lot to buy a hotel. To buy Westgate.
Exactly. But it's a really, really nice resort. And now,
So when are you gonna invite us over?
so if you guys ever need to go somewhere, either if you want to go to Egypt and there's a Westgate around, talk to us.
Is there a Westgate?
We can-
Fucking serious?
Yeah, we can give you 4 days and 3 nights for $99.
Dang. Any Westgates in Houston?
Probably.
Shit, I need.
Barcelona?
Okay.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come here, Miguel. I gotta show you something.
Lake Erie. And
We have radios. And these radios can go far. Do you know how to use these? I guess not, because you almost dropped it.
Hello. There you
There we
are.
go.
I found you, Tristan.
Alrighty. We're good to go. We gotta go, Miguel. Let's go.
Holy shit, there's a lot of space. Yeah.
Alrighty. So we are on our way to the place. We will catch you guys later. Stay tuned. Alright, we are at the firework place.
You're at the fucking...
With a boom boom. Place.
Dude.
Yes, sir.
You should have
Oh, they
brought...
take card.
How about, for my birthday, the weekend before Queens, we go
Ooh, that's
airsoft.
a hard call, because I gotta save my money.
I don't have any.
I mean, we could save up for it.
But we can ask Jaden to go too, because he airsofts as well.
Yeah.
How y'all doing today?
We're good, how are you?
We are doing great.
So, do you know anything about fireworks?
Well, I know like the small stuff.
I do a little bit. They need to learn though.
Alright, y'all. So, what's y'all's price range y'all looking at? Total price y'all trying to spend?
Over $100 she's paying.
Shut up. Over $100. Sounds like they have here. Let's just go back. Now, those ones right there, you have to individually, like each and every single one, shoot them up. If you don't want to do that, you just want to let them go, All the boxes up here, like this one. Use this one as an example. So it's 12 shots. You got 12 different ultimate. All you gotta do is light one fuse, and it'll pop up. Wait a couple seconds, pop up another one. That's all you gotta do. And this one's 25, and those ones are 21. I mean,
Big candles too, giant ones. Oh yeah. You hold them, they pop. They shoot in the air.
they got like
They're basically rocket launchers.
Oh, interesting.
I'm probably gonna do the artillery shows here for 21.
these artillery shows.
Yeah. We gonna do one of each.
Do you have any like pack of 4?
Oh, that's new.
$14.95. You go in the sky, go in the sky, they're like smiley faces.
I would take those.
Stay on the ground, you go in the sky.
Ground.
Go on the ground. So best things on the ground are gonna be your fountains. So what your
Fountains
fountains are, let's just use this one as an example. What you do is you put it on the ground, now this one, we shot one off over here, the other yesterday about one of these. And it fell over and shot at a tree and turned around and shot right towards all of us. So make sure you have them on a flat ground.
Y'all got tanks too?
Of course. Got a fireworks stand with this vehicle.
Oh yeah. The tanks are a classic. Yeah, they have smoke grenades for 50 cents.
Yeah.
You guys have missiles? Missile boxes? All right, let's get some, man. Let's get some, man.
Yo, get some smoke grenades.
Oh, I mean like those boxes.
Oh, you're talking.
Oh,
yeah.
you're going crazy.
I got
Oh yeah, I'm going go big or go home.
300 of them.
That's what
Oh,
300. What I'm talking right
300
there.
of these
How much is that?
You like one side,
15?
shoot up the sky.
Take
These
one of
ones
those.
are $15.95.
I gotta get those big candles, man.
You want the Roman candles
Oh
too?
yeah, the big ones though. Yes sir.
$25.
$65. Big ballin' on.
There you go.
Okay, thanks, sir. Hey, y'all have a good day, okay?
There you too, man.
Good night. Happy 4th. You too.
We got the stuff, man.
Heist.
That's right.
This is GTA 5 bank heist.
This is the heist, man.
Suck my nuts.
Oh, Jeff is going over there.
Look at all that shit back there. Ooh, freedom.
This isn't supposed to blow up.
There it goes.
Yay!
Do you think I can do it with this one?
Yeah,
Or is it not preferred?
you can use anything. Shit, back away. Fire in the hole, baby. Fire in the hole. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Any more?
Which one was that one?
That was Jeff's. Boys.
Alex, and you're watching Disney.
Hey, chill, chill.
Oh, you gotta do the. This is Alex, and you're watching Disney Channel.
You're doing it the opposite way.
It's not the opposite way. They do it that way.
You stupid idiot.
Alex.
There are no lefties in Disney Channel.
Hey, wait a minute. There is a lefty in Disney Channel.
All right, so we're about to bust out the motors. These motors are like the
And the
best.
Roman
Yeah,
candle.
motor
Can
shots.
someone light me up?
Someone light me up. I want to shoot my fireworks.
Dude, this shit knocked over.
Oh shit.
That's the wrong way, Jeff. That's the wrong way, Jeff. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? That was the wrong way.
I thought it was gonna shoot up the other side.
I was here going like, wait a minute. That's the wrong way.
Tristan, he looked at it for 1 second, just dropped it, and started running.
I was like, shit. Wherever you light it is where it's gonna shoot. There you go. There you go.
Like, here I go.
Damn it, Jeff.
That was funny.
When's the last time you shot fireworks?
I've never shot fireworks.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is experience for
But
you
dude,
guys.
that's like, cause it had yellow on this side too, so I was like, okay, it's probably gonna shoot out this side.
Stay back. Stay back. Shoot at Tristan's car.
Sponsored by Jeff Snyder. He's got firework sticks.
What are you gonna say about this one?
Let her rip, tater chip.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Oh, that's sketchy. That's real sketch. This is bad news right here. This is bad. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Any day.
It's almost there. Oh, it's wax.
Oh, 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 shoot. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Let's do another one.
And we're gonna light this bad boy off for Veronica.
Here we go. Let her eat.
What's this one gonna do?
We're gonna find out.
All right, Miss Veronica, can you explain to me the design of your fireworks here?
Stem's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I
She's
hope
just trying to get
it's
it
over and shoots at all of us.
All right.
Oh,
Battle back up. You may want to take a step back. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
Veronica, what did you do?
Hold on a sec. What happened?
What happened?
Dude, it shot on the back of my leg.
Oh, God, what the hell happened? Hey.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
It
good.
shot her. I was like, oh no, Veronica. That got Veronica.
I saw it shoot this way. I'm like, what the hell?
Oh, that thing. I was like, oh my God. why
One
did
of the
you
shots hit me in the back of the leg. It went bam. I'm like, oh.
It hit you?
It hit me right in the back of my leg. Oh.
Tristan down. Tristan, no.
It hit me while I was running. I was like, oh shit.
How was that? Get to the chop.
Dude, I just saw it explode next to me. I was like, oh no, I gotta go this way.
I saw it go towards
I was wondering where you were. I was like, oh shit, where's
no.
Veronica at?
That just happened.
Oh no.
Oh, is it?
Ah, here it is.
Oh God.
Oh my god. Oh no.
It sounds like gunfire, dude. I started
How'd y'all stay over there?
I know, right? Jeff and I said
It was pointing that way. We were running that way. All right, so we pretty much just shot all the fireworks, but now it's time for the grand finale.
300 shot? 300 shot?
Lighter,
Can we get an inspection?
Wait,
We're gonna do it right here.
Why? Is that Jeff? Is that Jeffrey Snyder?
Every fucking one of y'all.
Yes, it is.
Is that Alex?
Is this Jeffrey again? Oh, yes.
Oh, is it Jeffrey? It is again. Is this Tristan?
Yep, this
is Tristan. Who's this? Who's this adorable little girl right here? It's Veronica.
Ibambe!
Here we go. Off to the grand finale.
Wakanda forever!
For Derek.
Ibambe!
freedom.
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 Hey! 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 Woo! We got 300 of these little boys. Woo! Yes! Yes! Nice show! Woo! Yes! Yes!
That wraps up.
All right, we are now back home. So as you can see, that the camera did die during the grand finale. To explain to you guys a little bit on what happened with the motors. So basically what went wrong is that one of the motor boxes that we set up apparently tipped over when it shot up. So my friend Veronica, you've seen her in the video, she wanted to buy a fountain, which the fountains spray up and sparkle, but basically it's hard to explain, but they just stay on the ground and they're literally one of the safest things to have. The dude gave her the wrong thing. He gave her a 6-shot motor box, which basically is like those single big ones that I lit. But the 6-shot one is where you have one fuse and it shoots up 6 of them every few often, kind of give it a little show. Well, when they set it up and we lit it, one shot up, but then it tipped over, and so the other 5 was shooting directly at us, and then it turned around, and that's why fireworks was just everywhere. Apparently, we set it up correctly. We did not do anything wrong. Apparently, the box was faulty, but it's all good. I mean, fireworks are dangerous, but to top everything off, I had a blast tonight. Everybody had a blast tonight. It was absolutely amazing. I couldn't have done it with better friends. I couldn't have done it with anybody else. The best friends ever. It was just amazing. So with that being said, on the note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a comment and tell us what you think and maybe what we should do next time. But we are going back to normal videos after this one. This was kind of a special I wanted to do for you guys. So happy 4th of July, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.